High accuracy and small size. The power supply unit has a 4-digit LED display, 0.01 volts voltage display and 0.001 A current display. Voltage, current and power are displayed in 3 rows of windows. Weighs only 1.1 kilograms. Size, 19 by 9 by 15 centimeters. Digital regulation. The power supply unit utilizes encoder regulation to adjust parameters as needed and turn the power supply output on or off via the output button. USB fast charging port. The power supply is equipped with an 18W fast charging port that supports multiple fast charging protocols and automatically adapts to the device to be charged. It automatically adapts to fast charging protocols. Constant current, constant voltage, CC, CV, automatic switching. Constant voltage and constant current values can be preset through the coding knob, and automatically switch between CC, CV according to the load status. OCP short circuit protection function. Press the current coding switch for 3 seconds to turn the short circuit protection